Level up with safe work.
Thanks for joining Blair Group Construction.
Oh my god, that's so cool.
Yeah, we can see it on the screen.
We need to scan the work site to make sure it is ready for safe work.
Puts you in experiences that you're not normally put into, and how many things can actually go wrong in work and what you should be aware of all the time. And it lets you do that safely so that when you go to the workplace, you're not in an unsafe environment.
And I think the really cool part about this is that it's fun and it's interactive, so you get to learn safety in the workplace while having a wicked time.
And we were just chatting a little bit about how, you know what, in elementary schools, or I mean in any grade, this could be something that is brought into classrooms and kids can be put into situations so they're well educated before entering the workplace.
It's not as hard as it looks and it's super fun. You should definitely try it out.
Wow. Wow.